Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I will share with you keyboard short commands. Sometime we have not mouse and we want to work quickly, then we need to take the help with keyboard. If we know the keyboard short commands, then we can do with Chrome. These are the Windows Chrome keyboard short commands. Like if we want to open a new window in Chrome, we will press Ctrl plus N. And same if we want to open a new window in Tingo mode, then we will Ctrl plus Shift plus N. If we open a new tab and jump into it, then we will press Ctrl plus key, and here are some other different keys. You can use these keys. These are tabs and Windows shortcut commands. You can use these commands and save your time and do quickly work with Chrome while you are browsing or internet surfing. Friends, as you know, we are nowadays we are doing a lot of working on internet, like e-commerce websites and some other websites. We have to do a lot of work with these kinds of websites. Then we will use these commands to open the different windows, and we can close a tab, we can open the tab, we can minimize, maximize, and we can also quit Google Chrome with these commands. We can also use Google. Here are some Google Chrome feature shortcuts. Like open the Chrome menu, we can press the Alt plus F or Alt plus E. If we want to show or hide the bookmark bar, then we will press the Ctrl plus Shift plus B command. If we want to open bookmark manager, then we can we can press Ctrl plus Shift plus O. Friends, these commands are very helpful, and we can use these commands to save our time, as I informed earlier. Sometimes we have no mouse with working mouse, or we are using our laptop, then we can use these commands to working with Chrome with the help of keyboard shortcuts. These shortcuts are provided by Google. These are Chrome features keyboard shortcuts. Now these are the address bar shortcuts. How we can play with address bar with the help of keyboard. If we want to search with your default search engine, we will type a search term plus enter. And secondly, when we search using a different search engine, we can type a search engine name and then press tab and some other options. These are address bar shortcuts for Chrome. And here are some other commands which are very useful for you to while browsing the internet. These are web page shortcuts. When we are open any web page and we want to search or we want to save the web page, then we can use these commands. Friends, these are also very useful when we are searching any web page. We can use these commands. These are also different types of commands. We can also scroll the web page with the help of keyboard or with the help of keys. We can close, we can open, or we can move the cursor at any point, or we can select the text and copy with the help of these commands. So these are helpful while browsing any web page. Now mouse shortcut. These commands are the following shortcuts required to use your mouse. When we want to open a link in current tab, drag a link to a tab. These are mouse short commands. Friends, we when open a link, we can jump to it, or we can close any link. We can use these commands with the help of mouse. These are very helpful. I hope these are the very important commands, shortcut commands for you while you have searching, or while you are working with internet. If you are facing any problem or you have any difficulty, you can write me in comment. I will give you answer promptly. Thanks. Bye.